Hey. But no one knows tomorrow. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. Obini wa Genius.
No one knows tomorrow. Life on job because be I never give up. Obini mo china seminti menya feda. The who so be more binti jay for push up. Nama when in the hall say you can move up. Bese pa konya haba yata se benya safo. Yang want to say so and you want crown a boafo. That's a mean kuminya ni pampeni ni ankoso. Ajibone man koso mefa kosha by four. Mama yandu doya when they yasi ni passashi. Kumi huni na wo se menya she. Yami shona huma bro nti me se men kashe. Ene ni padie sa opedi abe soche. Yasu wakuma mutene nyamite usufre. To the passing, no binning of the Pashasie. A Riena Semo, Yashan to Twashasie. Meaning the Bassini Cosan Commission Fashasie.
No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. Obini wa Genius.
Because we are saying a woman tassie, Yana Nipa refuse what ye dot ye, Mama and Fenya Michu or Donan Tassie, we are Sinipan air from Tia in Yabotre, 3 months empty, we are often we are thankful, or no one the combine, so no one know ye for, or what I cast into work a food, therefore, yes, we'll be watching at mention what comfort, the young Sanda Yabako to Tim and Penam for, and to the minister, Yamen and the Buffo, and this will be a swimming beyond no one name is for, until one for non breast.
No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. Yeah. Obini wa Genius. This life I'm on a chop and go. Do your own, make I do my own. But I do your own. Yeah. Me and you are not the same. You can see the issues that I face. We are not on a race. We need love or the hate. Me and you are not the same. You can see the issues that I face. So we need love or the hate. Brother, we are not on a race. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow.
Okay, young king of Yazi, no opening case. Poku. Yes, I want to pay her and never born come with any of my pre-bets. The attend we have this year. Young was supply, I'll be teaming your chunk come voice note and asking crowd messages. I hold on in Anonsono. Nasibia, we are upcoming artists. Naja offer said, I link up. Maja entertainment edge, Timmy Nudin come on, and because purposely, no, Yaba Ama, a young and upcoming artist, offer said, yeah, works meeting me Drew. Baby, I was a young man. I said, Jumano, it will be until 0243 577773 0243 and Kwame also the other larger
0244 512623 0244
now but the mouth what's
0244 512623
okay I say ultimately hala na seja offer belinki up naja works ning na the mama saying na dey etimi at said young king a day in the obi ni more chance them
when you say Andrew you say na kid dance tabia for kid dancing me drop you say oh na me dream say me drop ma o me o no o Martin for the first time
oh
but when you say me drop you na e be to be so team ni
na oh team ni adwuma on fast them apoku obo ni and I like the way we see a follow up what I say no bekasa inside him no he's working amma enyomo no like a trend and so far no obi ni mo china say we enyomo like obi a feeling more nim nyom bia no
what here obi
say yes enyomo no e kama na content of it no edenya mi ase obi ni mo china say bo why artist ya obi u fetri na ba o se kru no se uwura mu a ya na times u hu how a crew is here then so how do you see the industry. It's the same.
Okay, first of all, I'm sure it's here for me now. Okay, a Jumane dear, Eden. In we are saying nothing good comes easy.
Yeah, man.
You begin to open here, Eden. I said, let me can't see me say sometimes, you know, the women who oh, me no need to feel the brain say, you prepare your home. So, I feel say like me name said, I need be a phenomenal competition or say, dear you. Anna or Pentimel
any competition.
Okay, me to me, the me who Bibisa say was a competition. Because I say a competition now. One to was in me, share baby, to see me because you are in a hurry, you know, but say, oh, actually, be woman, who names the opera polishing at the bay year, one plan year. What to was it? Now I did. What to was in a wild boy, who ye, Elhum baby, to see, I'm a management in our shame, Elhum baby, to see baby, or say, yeah, correction be an answer, what I say. Okay. But a name, no, bit me recording, and then you no releasing the Biochina. Baby, to me, see, by I never call money be in Nigeria for me. A call or many baby. Nigeria, you're not talking about mastering, lyrical content, beats. You know, and you know, Obia team now, which means no, and you know, crap, the BBB. So I said, and you go hard, the entire one you be annual dance, and you go hair so raw. As I want to any team or more planning. So that's it to say about this idea and boy, because and then you know. Se lumba more become funny or no basa and can yin to you. And so Neno, Omba be shows and take it in Soto. A dear, or more to Omboasi to 2 Monomay, and no more time so crown, and then no more and you being was sent there, your technology or internet number you mentioned share kind of blow, yes.
And nobody know what hard to the call.
The Kobe should have master and no quano cabo, which should have master.
I saw never born you move video cram and
yeah, easy. So I say, you know. So the Omoton was ye in Cinnamon now, when you know that's yet. Then. And the same one is a 1 to 1 year. Nana Andrew baby, and 3 days, 1 month, 2 months. Let's see a trip. We do 1 month. Yeah, baby, because in a competition is a big competition. We don't go say, oh dear, how our creating, you know, you know, the bit you are watching. Yeah, and I the music as I say. At the end of listening, also listener, it's me, a show the name patch. Yeah. Say your door, you see, so inspire, we inspire. But you know, and you boy, if your baby or Cushiano, not the is Scabio D, and you know, as it at the end of music,
programming ye,
who so be say, the all can I or Pasha say, unto me, so I say, and no one there say, I can see, yeah, and the Aquay anymore, yeah, but we must have put together on the map there. Messi on some tombos in me. Now, secondly, unity. Ghana, how many times now who artists or Ghana or sharing your Ghana and the artist? I want to be the picture.
Ayana, Ninako, if say, say kind so, or share one you ma, who is a way boss. Oh, that's arrogance in it. That's in Nigeria. Nigeria, so your pages are. Or my artists need to share or my bino. The bishop about beat. Oh, yeah, the video, Mamma, Nina, take on the board beating. So until we see the unity there, or board beat, and then the beat they say, it's required one you know the shed at the man in here. Unity near there. Oh, by so unity in one, you say we are saying the fire, they say for kind. We back on the book. Say like a boomer, so because of Kelly, I can eat my head into the Kelly. So I say, say, I'm too about some fat or dog. When you are done and say, almost Indian, baby, I was a boy. You also a boy because you know how I met my training. Now, I'm you say you can remember was to meeting the mommy maybe at two. So I said, how you said no money in a very far. The Mimi because music, you know, and yet I did your way and then watching the jam. I did our lifetime. Until I did our lifetime. Send I want to Nafa and send I watch a shafa because BBN foundation here. The foundation now
solid.
Now, who do the solid FM? It's a solid FM. I will be doing into the union. The mechanics music industry. A normal be pre. You who said the BC already, and more and said about your boss, I prepare who ye, and said they don't dog any accommodating a bayadian. Okay.
I just a global idea, a trend they say you will grab a BI 24. A branch and uncle somewhere, friend John Ken. I didn't buy 1 or 2, 3 to be able to have to say, and yes, I'm getting her. Yeah, you get up the money, what do you think of that?
knows tomorrow, yeah. Obini mojiras, yeah. Obini mojiras,
No one knows tomorrow. Life on the cause be I never give up. Obi ni mo tinasem. Bese pako nya ha ba ye tase benya safo ya want to see so nti ho akra ne boafo pese me kumenya nipa paninu ya nkoso adwenbone ma nkoso me fa kwasha belfo mo ma yendo do ye ho na wiase nipa sehwe kwa me kume hu nyine na wo se me nya hwe na me so na hu mobro nti me se me nka hwe ene nipa de sa opede abesoche wiase wakuma muta na nya mete usufre mentutu nipa se no bi ni mobe pashase awie na semo ye hwe ntoto hase me ni ndo ba se de kosi aka me hwe fa hase nenso. No one knows tomorrow, you know.
Of course, no one knows tomorrow. Be ni mo chana sem. I don't know. Akoba bi yonke.
Yeah.
Omo ye pa. No one knows tomorrow. Obi ni mo chana sem. Dinti.
Okay, obi ni mo chana sem. Obi ni mo chana sem. Ye tifi mo fa se. Na ade ba ko no say, ye na ye music man travel ko ni padom so. E drum re wo say ye bibi ye kasa ya kasa nani share in no beautiful. Because you know your modernized world be a see quite go school be you get okay chi babo.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Yeah, you chi kasa.
Don't speak vernacular.
Yeah, okay, okay babo. It's no count me
Vernacular.
enka. Nse ma ya chi na ya kasa ye de no. Yeah, you that one send me be ho a.
Yeah man.
Enya asem bi anso na ya no we the level bi.
I'm say you refi your culture.
Yeah, culture. Yeah, you refi ho. Because you can obi ni ma. Obi ni me ka Ghana na akosi nipa so. Say nipa bi so. But meti obi ni masene say e kasa
Obi nim.
because obi ni you know me no you need the next 5 minutes
You don't know.
you need the next even 1 minute second kwa you need
You be doing like great.
so you need so tino once I nim ne de e no say you nim ne ntino e ma ye no me bebre a e three ene ye hu say maybe you good and I ye wrong.
Okay. Yeah got there. Yeah feel you me akama myself.
Yeah.
Until you see yourself. Young Ken. Odi ankasa no.
Na me di ankasa de Opoku Richmond.
Opoku Rich Mo.
Yeah, me local name me
Kwabna Poku. Oh okay. Ufre.
if you forward here.
Oh that.
Yeah.
Don't so abo so far the man pointing help am grow no team. Then times are na e boka e bodo.
Yeah.
E kura na yum e friends na kan wo Oh wow. So yeah, share at the Oko school or Kumasi and what now you'll be
It's Kumasi somewhere 2008.
2008.
Yeah, somewhere 2008 now. We started my music career.
Okay.
With a team called Nsuo Safo. Beginning there from Nsuo Safo. Tafo.
Okay.
Tafo, let me say, Ubia or Tafo Bia, what Tafo Chibiano in the American.
Nsuo.
Yeah, Nsuo
Tafo.
Oh, Tafo.
Okay.
Yeah, I shall say free Honano. That time, no, you music career. That time I'm recording.
Now recording.
Maybe. We started recording from 2010.
And you still a sound engineer,
No, me yes sound engineer. Me a musician.
Okay. And now you're no more recording.
Na ya me recording, but me train no. E master me hu ye. Because ejuma no say o pese de ye ejuma. E na won timi so nka say o mfa na ejuma. Onye wura ma wo wura. Because akori ntimi me ejuma na me nka say akori ejuma o restaurant bi or ejuma baby. Eye ne de nanim ba as a celebrity. So a musician. Into music no no ye. So very tired.
Yeah.
If you mean, that means a lifetime idea. Into now was all prepared here. To 2010 no crown. Me recorded that time. Me recorded na brand and by Young Richie Rich.
Okay. Young
Richie Rich.
Okay.
And I'm there.
Okay.
So that time I'm a song yeah ready now. Moana see me da. A change into Young Rich. You know feature Floppy Stone. You know yeah. We recorded Brad yeah. That song became so popular.
Okay.
Until now, me so
you're part of a Young Rich.
Nah, I was part of that time in so, but me say that brand
I was a son.
I wasn't no, I wasn't a son. Say no one I'm tune call Young King. Okay. Me the coin no man, call no cross me buy me coin and me yan my about. You say no money still no, yan no be brave. See, I also usually there. See from 2010 in man, no 2014 I released the first track.
Okay. Then we get there.
Hardship.
Not
talking about the difficulties, the challenges you face in Ghana and Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, me shoot video in 2016. Them shooting the video, so I track the video.
Okay.
See me did video ne buy na and penifo bi name ko football Ghana ha. O man person unity because of the crack.
And they was
no unity. because me premiere no Ghana television GTV.
Okay.
Emma Hega Usu esports when they host o premiere video ni we no ade chia no papa na mo be say square no frame say course a wonya free penfo bi ho no onye show so bitima bonu ni bi
Serious.
ntina boma ben because no say no meti no ma bi ase say ya akasa no nipa be brain pen kore ntina wo ya de no kra obenya atamfo be but enye ne be boma be ma free de ma ye from lifetime ni nyina ntina me relax ya onyo ho kakra say me say boa me ho ye di oja na aba.
Okay. You had a drop memory ni kakra. Fire ko haship no. How was it? How na ko say
haship no
like obi mitima me acapella kakra bi wo ho freestyle bi kakra bi wo
yes nya da dwepene so hoja so me si so me de no mo papa si me ne so se me set legacy ma dachi ya boma ba so me se we are ready eni nka so me hu ne say life is about mission and target ya si 247 na kapeni ye pocket Ghana baba so konsu ne ya ma o basket o be da finance me renew boxes. One is Ghana you freedom, man for China, India, United Kingdom, the sister your good year, site, headom, so fast when it's so for the issue condom, hard by low income, low productivity. Ghana coast stay yes. They say Ghana boost stay yes, and that's like electricity. Sikapa why into be a bad mentality. If it's a one year when Timmy train the family. That's Ghana for you. Or man here for man Timmy go school, admission I'm 30 million leaders who the cool, the Ojo Monisika or be doing fool. But me who say yes, I know it's said by fools. I feel no who the entity no set cool. If say yes, penifo na be brain you who, you know. Nti nsem na pain na me dey anwom ne nsem na wo nwum no. Na say no akọ I say ye makwa manwu unity a o twa echi dodo. Me mete ase.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know sometimes no. Nipa a what should be in that person's shoes so. Ne hwe nti a wo yes a. Okay. So e bia say ye me kura na bia na me wo ha. Me nsem na wo kan na be ba hye me a. Net na so kakra.
They say someone okay, obi aba be cancer so dey nti na was a basa because
okay, na o ba ade ba ko ni say say o be public figure wi. Na o kan sama obi ntimi ntina so. Say na o ka say o pese obi le shata wale eja. Because baby a wa trend dey do no. Ene na nyum baby na nyum akodi do no. Ene just all na nti obi akọ paper na nyum fo obi ayi so. So as say nti no by o ba foforo na o pese eja na ene e betimi adu no. Ene o mu ni say o betimi adu. So what I say, you know, meti almost or some point be so bet. Me who ni say no kre na na sometimes empathy because we tie nsem bia me kan bibia no me kan onwum ma happen but you don't empathy biti. Ti no me hu that 2018 ya na fe me de obi ni. Okay ya ba.
Bia when inspire o ma o ya onwum.
Okay.
And now she will be o remember the be o ha.
Me no me hwe me ama.
O hwe wa o.
And things I see around. And no ma me hu no around no na inspire me. Say any jima metimi de ye nyuma fa njim say awe ho so a metimi de ye nyuma e fa awe nti no they inspire me the things around me both negative and positive me di many experience no ene me no me experience bi hu no ene ma me de
uni penny bia wo me industry mo I say so mesenti kra no very young because I like the way you perform a program and young lyrics ni bibia nti no me ntimi hwe na o hia.
Okay, one thing about me is say be hwe will be your life. Because nipa kono bad eba wi ase dem abai e na obe seti de wire no to nti se me ko hwe wi ase de obi asa suan asa wo chiam papa so asa se nti no de onu ntimi achieve ye no opa bebu wo to na mu da na opa da because wi ase also hu de wo ye de nipa kono ba wi ase no ntimi be ye no wire no ntade na me ko hwe se me ye obi ni na nso me ye de nso me be wi ase no me nti sometimes me anka sa me hwe obi in life me ye de me hu ni say a bit not taking me there, baby, the person. It's all about mission and target. Until before I say about accomplishing mission, just target. You know where we are, that's all.
Yeah, on the your genre of music, dancehall, reggae, high life, hip hop. Who was the way then?
Okay, maybe just segment back home. Yeah, maybe more tracks, hip hop, or high hip life. But so what's your means and Nankasa, Jenna, Ankasa, Yankasa, we share that at the bar near title will be pop at it.
Pop other than
pop beats with other than voice. It is a utie obinema. Me kasa be better than fashion.
Now, oh yeah, one kasa one share than one style. No, that one yeah na any confusing.
Oh no, any confusing. They hear me say bit me making name. I mean, we say young king. On say ade ba kwa artist boa pass we say utimi ese sound because music you know and dinner fa music dynamism on you it means sound say can you say the nyuma ba sisi aye dancing teams nkwa first na ntesa first na hardcore last two so bet exercise nti exercise no few ne timi sa sesa ba de jena na aye say awami bebre ano mo omo ya hardcore na ntimi ansan follow ama sisi jena ya awami nti ne say oh bad than that me all kind of music I think it's a woman yeah I mean who is
okay because now yeah can say boys in Shia de ne Sunday morning tina mana bossa I think say them say oh yeah dance or me choose a dance or na oh yeah na wa ye what I say but oh yeah full pop oh yeah hip hop oh yeah we know they are far the same time I say you are confused now omo yeah side ni na look at them omo da so musa
okay artist me Ghana hankasa no omo me hu ni say omo ye all genres no obi say example like Obrafo
yeah
Obrafo nye artist ade bi opeso rap otimi ba nyu so no be sing nko
yeah man
otimi ba nyu so no be rap or all kind of ntina enyom no chenyi from hardcore crank ni to we know dancing music on say otimi switch bi ababi so but bebria na omuntimi enko all ye you know on say bebri kaima omuntimi amba because music you know dynamic on this one. Okay. It means you at any time. Okay. Yeah.
Very your vision or what you want yeah. Vision let's say.
Okay, wide, very wide. Because the target in Ghana, the target here Africa and beyond.
Africa.
Yeah, me traveled from even Ghana and be do Africa countries be nothing. A Jew. Maybe I say Jew yeah. We are seeing that betting. So no, a whole Jumani go so yeah because
obviously on your show say young can like say it is one them batch young can
and young can like say
identify yourself now so you how bad this year they identify or what you how bad we identify what I say
abokoto for millions so that homa so na say ya so bia ne na dwente bia na wonte mase so na dwede so mpo me so da me nante esese me brand ne na me di that action yonke me ye breath officer babo me ne boafo esese me breath so bia pressure hwe ne nkoso nti matoma no me nka me senche me fefo kwane ti na owi ase malam na wo sofo emfa ko mani brand fa nya me di in intro e me je nipa do mani enkakasa hodo the future in your hands obrane de wabo nti bonye na dachi wanya mobo to see UT baby dania comfort ubekomu so na ni nyina ye namfo owo bi mpo still na wo pene dodo e na hochenti nipa da sani ni do tweda mpom si behwe na wo ma yaye mobo nipa da wa hochebe na so ba boso ye bibi fofo ni nya wo so mfa so e ma ne house nipa da sani ka ho nsem na ye sa na wiase tie obi antime pe wasem ne mo hwe wakọ mentra baby anka ho nsem na yonko grant na koto anya tue mo bra se busia wo bie ya sutie na dachi wa mo be yi na di ogre no
wow. Okay, back to Obinim so far. About this now we are modeling woman so it is
okay, me release Obinim this year.
This year, yeah.
Me release Obinim I think be 2-3 months. Yeah, video is about Afena equal 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, and respond is so great because and America say it's all about mission and target. Mu baby apesa oko. That's the mission, net targeting. So be able to do. Team in the share say the works be a good coin man. Video look about now I think I could be 2 months but okay YouTube almost be 15,000 views. You know, no response near great so the radios airball almost every radio station come say airball minimum this time. You know, I'm so grateful when I appreciate you man about
what to watch there. Mama something what I say. It was 15,000 viewers there. I say to watch ya.
Ah, you talking about royalties?
Oh, so to watch ya.
Oh, I bet ya.
Yeah, dear. Also, adwuma bia ni mu challenges.
Yeah.
One kasa. What started you to challenges being at say now how do you overcome it?
Okay, challenges now easy. Easy. Unnim but I see when you baby episode draw. Wa bembe. But the bia no, I be about me say nothing good come easy. Me bia no why good I buy easy. So I think say oh, open year ma o say over. Nti no beginning no say obenye obi kwati won nyom ede. Wotimi say no nyom obi no obusa say ma me credit. And find download it, you know. But sad time na titi we nyina na mbu ya be mama ye drew ase ama say radios, almost all the radios.
This is what I say. If you do, Obi in genuine and J credit TV or no, but
there is a say there. Whenever you download to do on YouTube, just a comment, you can, and I'm over 15,000 views. Nyamia be great. Because you're starting in easy. So, best Nyamia don't know to be with this video. And I post it at the end within, and that 1,000 over 1,000, 10,000s, you say,
Ubi Cassette. What the young man will be no cassette mano. Sika no and answer money credit and son of a down with and son of buy. Yeah, funny say.
Okay, one thing is a me war, I'll come over more. So, beside any be a honor demo and then your problem. But make us say, you know, Ubusan be a you know, I think I will try so Ubi Mickey, Edrew. Into no, a bin while. Now I know, I'll say sometimes, like I won't say be a sky in no unity. A man. O normal we current me nkoso but eno no so nya no so na wo se bu abem because say dem ka dada papa bi amayi easy o
mo why dey na shows any ade am say I don't know how I name Mexico for bi ever so for am say apart from what had you know hardship no I would buy any opinion am say wonyum you na so far am
okay also sometimes I na yeti free listeners because I'm me yeah me really see hardship no for any je hu bebre obi nim inspire for bebre but me come me social media page me say me fans now more hono more na request of love song
wow
yeah and no my old don man e bit na cover but odo no na me ka se bibia no to bu na uye ni ye a e be bo anti no ya to ebo ase na ya cookie afi na ready nti enche ni video ye shoot video nti enche dem
nti mo cookie odon nyomo no
onyomo ne dey you the one ready
I ready
na video no na afi na
come say dancing to one
now dancing to na like I call it classic music classic music
how is it classic
because utie say call ne nseme wo lyrical content beats everything on it is classic.
Asembe nkwana young can what you on come into.
Asem ka on you say o ka say you the one. I never call you the one che say eh one.
Okay.
Nti no that means don't say you nipa bi o ha. Won na ntu na mo a. Papo bonio on power chi da won san fi wo chi da. Onya gidi wo mu. Nti me ye nyom ne ma true lovers. Papo bonio nsuo mo awie mo ogya mo. Omutimita omadofo chi. Ema bi say ahotre bi ana bi na nipa kono na mu a otimi ta na chi ene ne ko sa akoden ne say omefim sene me yanwom no de ma omo nye omo anwo hete ran fo me bi true lovers.
Okay, come here for us. You has a severe have some 1 or 2 questions people say but yenya sa de we bra title na day
you the one
yeah. Okay.
Love will go where love belongs. So if you go be strong, I've been searching for so long. Now I know say you the one. You know I'm on it, know the border. All my love, you know we lie. I'm on it, I'm your soldier. Take the bullet for you die. Baby, give me my heart, yeah. Give me my heart, yeah. Baby, give me your heart, yeah. Give me your heart, yeah. You the one.
You my baby, you the one. Yeah. Make 'em out right. Yeah. Feeling it deep. Me hu one nani so bi de ehefa na wo fi de wodopa de say yeti de yatete wo fenye do bi be ka na metie forget against fo e no hema yempie ohema yentum pasa na woni ho amaye basa ne kwani ma feel kaka wano kasa ubi wano pe me hu se swadwene so nyansa me so wo mu ye fi se maso so ansa hweba ne na niama ne kon ne na basa me pese me chi ase wasa na adwadasa asenka do bagimi ni sika me bobosia na wugya me ho mani mbobo chen wisia wo hia maso hye na me boton ye kwata be ye afeba kontade dada na nensu wo donti no ofa me sa me sindi pinesa wo ye makoma mu hema you the one You the one.
Of course, you the one. What? Now can say music. I soon cut over your bed.
Minister, I'm about to say.
I know the sign. Was it?
Obani, good fan way support
Can we be a crash young king? Nothing.
Otis, the guy seems to know what
He's doing.
Or he's doing.
Yeah.
Like, minimum. By
just met him.
Many agent or punch it, metaphor, simile, personification, open here. Get up arrangement.
Wow.
Wait. Say more platformer crashes. Guess yes. Guess and a girl. Guess yes.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Because I am nice man.
That one.
I want to say something in the air and so happy.
I like the way he has branded.
It is so happy. So I didn't get to rap. Oh, a nice man.
I'm a kind of maybe.
Right.
That's time. There's our 3 months and I'm trying to get out to
Oh, I don't know that.
That's right. Control video for you. Okay.
Botanical name for the oil. Simatozoa. Amototoa.
Simatozoa.
The oil.
He's doing good.
On him the oil.
Okay.
So I took boy a cherry buying. Boom. Oh. We my man there 2 years. Why he take crab in theater.
That's why they say Kobinim go out the call.
But just say one yes international figure now. No say and you can come on.
Yeah.
Me boy.
On call the fun Africa here.
African
Ocean Africa and beyond.
And beyond.
Yeah.
We chapel.
You be try
Oh, for and you never always you say po.
As I said, you try for that.
Chapel.
Oh, me better say challenge very proud of face. Oh, music career.
Challenges in there.
I mean, that's what we say to credit to Bray.
Baby, be na me kind of. And now,
I show pa.
Ubenya good engineer. I'm an engineer. I just work man so Eden. Tino, first of all, big shout out to Apia on the beat. Because say the engineer jama or name ye juma say I'm so grateful na me shine the baby because music na dem akwa na to sniper or million baby mastering. Say the engineer nya botre a programming on you. A me said that sorry, they be about no way what you mamma say no. They say, dear, a mood out the car, dominity. The wire said they will be him a drop here, tear now, he said you the one, said they're gonna. Now, me sure appear be great.
Okay, the appear na ye will be me as I the one.
Honestly, you the one. Now, the Google studio away what you money there.
It be sense just so.
They see just on the no crash. Say, we didn't need the pimpin when I'm Kaka. Say, the ready for.
Very now, one.
Oh no, me the other back when say me Jimmy who did be say me ya de chin but me Jimmy Juma no say me make sure say me ya good work yeah that's all.
Okay. So all we are now say the bio.
Oh mami sam dem na me say who say Jimmy bi ni wo wasasi so be ya na sometimes no wo dey in sure the work mo bi say me bia yi sika sam. Why artist you be hia support na any na sefo. Oh bia na so some record level bia wo show no say na wo one kasa no sika be go to man.
Yeah, okay, was come because yeah, she don't face the challenges be a yenti me afọ.
Oh, okay. Obi ba senka tronyuma na na se wangasa no she da tronyuma nkofo. Ana obi ba obetro man na.
Oh, obi ba metro man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Register.
Na de be.
Na me ina.
And the depend.
Because you be the person be nya sa o adwene na wo de trust any
oh yeah.
Say e ba so bi ba na se bi obejiska. Ka.
Maybe because
sika ye beji anabra me kwa.
Okay, e ya say
the
the metia say we say scan nya de nyina.
Scan nya de.
Ni scan nya de nyina. Say obi betima ba wo life ma. E bi am ade mo a e wo de bo an no. E nam so be mo adule mpempen so ala level bi a wo pese oduru a e be dwon wa adwe wa bebo wa adwe no ti ase so. Ti se de bia no ma skadi wani ma. Skadi e be to e nua e be say ja won ti no. Ma adwe tani skasem no sa. Yeah.
Okay, Fear on a solid 103.7 entertainment edge and a young king. Obinim or Chanasem as I say, what didn't you want to have a brand new one? Yabono maybe an solid Nelly Gambo.
Okay, me interview recently or Bosch FM.
Okay,
so I'm boy.
Oh boy, yeah, high second or Go, oh yeah, you are the only one, no?
Yeah, you're the one.
You the one. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, say, oh, Simbi, a catcher now 0243577773. 0243577773. Yeah, rapid no so up, I don't know. You young can avi nti obu ram sisi na wo kan bibi a kire young na ya akonya no 0243577773 0243577773 and 0556340516 0556340516 obu ram ken yebi aye ko ya bia advice what the bema obi ene de keka ho sa no enti ho na afi no
okay
obi bo mu se be fa
se o tie form tie me nnuano ma omo pese omo de nyom to ne ye omo djuma se wotie nkoma ye di ne kra na o so de bitu wofo e ma bibia mbo aben okay ba bia pese okọ ne hu de o pese o ye obi ase because se wo refu prom hia ben a o ye obedwase nti se wonim de o kọ na nim de o ya eno no mo mbabo a nti fa o ru nyina hia ena mo obi so ndada se bia juju bi malam bia na bibi na be mo ye
okay ken obi so o kan se ma show hello good evening e ba jo di ni obi akese from penigase oi rapa ni na boko de ya me ado boko e dasi Vraiment. Okay. 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 That's Mr. Mike, I want to come with you free. Okay. And that's it about for Mike. I'm saying I put you in Martin.
Yeah, Martin.
About you go to 0243577773 0243577773. You bet me. Futu be as if you are catch a young king be an Queen over. Yo, you go so I wrap it up. Eti afutu yeah obi so ba fe no obi so ba
nti no yam e say na me bra yi so frɛ a na o ka me ni agye ne ansɛm kan ho bebre yɛm fa ɔdɔ ahobrase nkabo mu yɛm fa nya de no ye ya mi hu ne sɛ Ghana ne sitimi ne sa ye nyu ne be kwa chi pa because Ghana yeso ye bo homode
komo ni nyina asi bete bia na ebi ho na pese opese ebisa ye mbisa bibi yo ho a etwa to a obeka actually tifo bibi o ho wase ye ma wa ya bibia ase betwa to
bibi ma okay the meeting aka kakra ni say young king Yonkin. I'm open to everyone.
You're open to everyone.
We are open to everyone.
Okay.
So they say, BBR show again. Just call my management.
Okay.
Yeah, until the number never to get. I'm a meeting.
Shoe 7 will be beer when a booking is an
BBR, who is a boy.
Yonkin
Yonkin. Just call the number. 0547 4793 4225 0547 93 4225
now only been a buy
and Nanapuku and number 0249
0249
yeah 997 7556
7556 okay now we be to be back come be any of you BBS
yeah I'm now say I mean chat is equal you go must support here sorry I'm going to support Yonkin me I mean say don't want attitude out there ban that's
obesani mama
obesani we be no grade
team ko so na che
say we can be the see just why there
okay
ya team ko so na che
I mean chia Pumanso and check more patase okay
mo buti
Yonkin wa fa no wa ye bia
mo buti
wow
mo buti ko patase
Yonkin na was there be so the mo bi share nyumi ase nyina be sin na jaba solid be si sa
aseda na de kese pa nkoma tweda mpo bo so ba asase enyo no ankenti ase ti aseda kese pa nkoma nyankopon ade bi o share so mo ahodin ne nyansa ye de next nkoma kumasima nyina meeting nyina obi a wa support from day one na poku ayiwa na body of one in Germany the whole family nyina ne supporters dia obi a support tafofo nyina me da obi ase ne support yeah ntino ne social media handles so obese oni mi nkoma nkasa so akọ either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter Yonkin GH Yonkin ne YUNG KING space GH yeah YUNG own kan young Yonkin GH
that's the way you own a free
own kan yeah YUNG KING GH Instagram everywhere with the message in the bio but say I can reply so be our ready be out follow na testing I'm open to everyone
okay the better to say at all yes afre on so waba Abema Entertainment Edge on Solid 103.7 Atimi Ayakrabahwe we hope you say okay I can be you
because me na unso asipa
yeah I was that day e onyame ho why ja no so e kan na mama anka bi so da so ntino yedamase ntino you the one interview na no echi no en rap show no just dan koma aye Yonkin and the crew nyina na poku ne ne cameraman na video man so also go ko there
nyame adom
ka bi there na say dan guys
and then no crepa
and then Charles Bia na bibiza
ade metimi aka no say asedan koma entwedi ampo nyankopon ona so yasene ona aboa o ma nyansa ne ahoden a ebedu sam pepen so we ena ade de toso mienu nsuo nyansa for ena ye brand a de ekwaye mu ntino ade metimi aka no Yonkin to the world nti feeling nso ye de deep feeling ye deep
we see sport there
what's baby baby
give me your my baby you don't me and you one me and you today
make my ride support Yonkin feeling ye deep I have found a wolf, they will do, the baby can avoid no him, my MPA.